Welcome to our tutorial about select case statements. We're going to pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial. I'm going to make some modifications to our previous script. Let's declare integer a as an integer. If, for example, we want to compare one value to another value, if integer a equals 1, then label 1 displays the string a equals 1. Now let's copy and paste this entire if statement. We'll paste it within this if statement. Notice how Visual Basic indents the embedded statement for me to make it much easier to view and understand. Let's make some modifications to our pasted code, 2 and 3 here. As you see, we're comparing a number of values against the value stored in integer a. Obviously, it's easy to see how an if statement can get pretty bulky. This is where the select case statement comes in handy. Instead of multiple embedded if statements, we can use the select case statement for a much less bulky code. We type in select case and the test expression, integer a. Now I've got another decision structure which starts with the select case statement and ends with end select. We're going to type case, an expression, and some code. LBL1 period text equals a equals 1. Within double quotations. Now let's copy and paste these lines of code. Right-click and paste. And paste it again. We'll change these to cases 2 and 3. Let's modify our expressions to 2 and 3 as well. And let's run our program to see how it works. If a equals 1, we see the appropriate label control display. Same thing if a equals 2 or 3. Let's enter 2 more lines of code. We'll right-click and paste. Now instead of the number 1, we'll put in an else statement, which works similarly to the if-else statement. Here I'm going to type something. I'll type, sorry, no match was found. Now, if we enter anything other than 1, 2, or 3, we're going to receive the text, no match was found. In the select case decision structure, we can also use comparison operators. We've got cases greater than 4. We can also use a range of values like 1 to 3. One and 3 are included here, by the way. We can also use different values separated by commas. I'll just enter a few different values here and run my program again. Let's enter a value greater than 4. The label displays a is greater than 4. If we enter a value within the 1 to 3 range, the label displays the message 1 to 3. If we enter a -3, statement number 3 is executed. If I happen to enter a number that doesn't match any of my values, I receive the message, sorry, no match was found. The if and select case decision structures will be used widely in your scripting. And this concludes our tutorial about the select case statement.